Okay, students, good morning. Now we are going to start a new chapter in 12th standard is matrices. Okay, now first of all, by giving an example, I am explaining you what is matrix. What is matrix? Matrix is nothing but a rectangular arrangement of numbers. For example, this is the matrix, let's say 1 2 3 and let's say 8 11 or 12 or anything. Okay, so this is looking like a rectangular arrangement. Okay, so any rectangular arrangement of numbers is called as matrix. Okay, and this is the symbol of matrix. There are two symbols. This is first symbol, this is second symbol. Matrix can be represented in both ways. Okay, you can choose any of the ways to represent matrix. Now the primary information of matrix we are discussing here. For example, let's say order of matrix. Order of matrix. Now what is the order of matrix? See here, this sleeping lines are the rows and the standing ones are the columns. Okay, so we can say here 2 rows and 3 columns. So we will represent this matrix. Okay, we will represent this matrix as 2 cross 3 matrix. 2 cross 3. Okay, we have to keep in mind this thing, that number of rows will be first, number of column will be second. Okay, so this is the order of matrix 2 cross 3. Okay, it represents that the matrix have 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so that is the order of this matrix. Now another thing, see, if I am taking this element 1, we can say 1 is in the first row and in the first column. Okay, so any element is symbolized as A. Okay, first row, so we will write 1. First column, so we will write 1. So A11 is what? 1. If I take this 11 or see, it's in second row and second column, so we will write A22. That is 11. Let's say about this second row, third column. So A second row, third column is what? 12. Okay, so any element, these all are the elements of matrix. All the elements of matrix are represented as commonly as Aij. Aij, where I is what? Row, and J is what? Column. Okay, it is column. So we need to keep these two things in mind, ith row and jth column. Okay, it represents ith row and jth, so it represents the element of ith row and jth column. Okay, for example, if I take another matrix, let's say this is the matrix, let's say 5 8 7 3 9 11 and 4 6 2. Okay, and if I want to have A23, it means element of second row and third column. So we will first go in second row and third column, second row and third column, so that is 11. That is how we can represent any element of the matrix. That is the symbol of the for the element of matrix. Okay. Now another thing is equality of matrix. Now what is equality of matrix? See, if I take this matrix, name it as A. So this matrix is A equal to this. Let's say B is the matrix ABC, DEF, GHI. This is the matrix B. Equality matrix means matrix A and matrix B are the same. Okay, we can say they are equal matrix. If matrix A and matrix B are exactly same, we can say they are equal matrix. Okay, now what is equal matrix? Equal matrix means here the element of first row and first column is 5. Here it is 5. Here it is A. So these both must be same. It means the value of A is what? 5. Value of D is what? 3. Value of G is what? 4. Okay, so if I symbolize the element each of the element of A as Aij. Okay, if I take any of the element of A as Aij and element of B as, let's say, Bij, then the Aij and Bij must be same. It means A11 should be equal to B11. A12 should be equal to B12. Okay, that is how. So that is the condition, that A and B should have equal number of rows, 3 rows, equal number of columns. It doesn't matter that they are square matrix or not. Okay, this is called square matrix. Number of rows and number of columns are equal, but it doesn't matter that they are square matrix or not. It may be have 2 rows and 3 columns or 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, but the number of rows and number of columns should be same, must be same, and each and every element of the corresponding element of both the matrix must be same. Okay, then we can say that both the matrix are equal matrix. Okay, now we are going to discuss some of the types of matrix. What are the types of matrix? See, we are going to start types of matrix. So now what are the types of matrix? See, one of the most simplest types are row matrix and column matrix. Now what is row matrix? Row matrix is nothing but a matrix which have only one row. Columns may be anywhere, number of columns may be anything, but rows must be one. For example, matrix like A, B, C, D. See, it have one matrix, it have one row in a matrix and 4 columns, but number of row is 1, so it is called as row matrix. Okay, same as that, column matrix means a matrix which have only one column. Number of rows may be anything, A, B, C, D. One column, it may have more than 1 rows, maybe 2 rows, maybe 3 rows, maybe 4 rows. Okay, so on and so forth. This is called as column matrix. Now the third is square matrix. Square matrix. What is square matrix? Square matrix is nothing but the matrix. For example, this is square matrix. Number of rows and number of columns are same. Okay, a matrix which have number of rows and number of columns are same is known as square matrix. Okay, square matrix. And you should keep in mind that this is called the diagonal. Okay, in any square we have a diagonal. So this is the diagonal AEI. This AEI is diagonal, and this is called as principal diagonal. This is also diagonal, but that is not principal. This is the principal diagonal. Okay, on the basis of that, we are going to learn a different type of matrix called diagonal matrix. Another matrix is diagonal matrix. Now what is diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix is nothing but it is a type of square matrix. Okay, to become a diagonal matrix, it must fulfill the property that it is a square matrix. Okay, it cannot be a rectangular matrix and also diagonal matrix. Okay, so to become a diagonal matrix, it must be a square matrix. Now what is diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix is nothing but a matrix whose all elements are 0 except that the diagonal may have some elements, let's say A, B, C, but all the other elements will be 0. Okay, only diagonal will have some element, otherwise all the elements will be 0. This kind of matrix is known as diagonal matrix. Okay, the symbol of this is this diagonal, short Dij, and here this will be, okay, the elements will be represented here. And if I want to generalize this, then this will be like diagonal matrix. See, this is what we call A11, first row first column. This is what we call second row second column, so A22. This is called third row third column, so A33, and so on and so forth. It may be have 4 by 4 or 5 by 5 or 6 by 6. Okay, and the end will be, if this have n number of rows and n number of columns, so the end will be ANN element. Okay, now the new type of matrix is called zero matrix. Okay, now what is zero matrix? Zero matrix is nothing but a matrix in which all the elements are 0. Okay, it doesn't matter that the matrix is rectangular or square. Okay, for example, let's say element is like this 0 0 0. It is 2 cross 3 matrix, rectangular matrix. All the elements are 0, so we can say it is a zero matrix. Okay, for example, it has 0 0 0, 2 row and 2 column. All the elements are 0, so we can say it is zero matrix. Now it can be represented in two ways. It can be represented in two ways. First way is, take a symbol of matrix, put 0 inside. M cross n is this, any order of matrix. If I put 0 inside, it means it is a zero matrix. And the second way is, write O, not 0, write O, M cross n. It is also symbol of zero matrix. Okay, these are the type of matrix. In next lecture, we are going to start the properties of matrix. Okay, so for this lecture, types of matrix are enough. Okay, practice this well and get back to me if you find any difficulty. Thank you.